Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Rocket Money app in your device. Rocket Money app is a financial app designed to help you take control of your finances. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Rocket Money. There you can see Rocket Money Bills and Budgets. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Rocket Money app to help you with your finances. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.